thir tu te in zawain chibai le vekule tunchuma chuan Mizoram Samagra Shiksha Nwaya lecture le teacher post work te kan thlir howin kan bi chiang le don ani ahma sabera chuan higher secondary school lecture an enila art stream b ka Mizo lecture posthum English posthum Pol science posthum history lecture posthum education posthum le sociology lecture posthum arwakani ti chuan post work zong hi post som le pariat art stream lecture hian arwakani hlo bi thatin sing thum fix pay nan hlonga deal theite deal tu chu kumsom pariat atang kumsom thum panga in karani turania STSC le tribal kan ti ho tan khan kumma dang ngai na thiamna omdonai educational qualification enila master degree second class 50% kan tiang chi kha second class second division an pass chuak turania B.Ed an nei tel turani an ilo vek pon 2 years integrated course MSc Ed kami kha an nei tel turani Mizo Trong middle school standard chin tal kha an thiam tel nge turani bokani khang kha higher secondary school lecture big art stream big ka khanania tichuan naruak omna location hi enila korte thoveng government khuangleng le government kuldung sei wate khang art stream lecture post kha arwakani kumar stream lecture post wakte en le taila pakhatna chuan business studies lecture kha post li arwaka business maths accountancy economics subject lecture te kha anwai in post li thau arwaka ichuan post work zong kha post som le paruk ani hlobi hi akma sang tho khanin thakata sing thum fix pay ani donai deal theite en leila deal tu chu kumsom pariat tang kumsom thum panga inkar ani turania STSC tribal kan ti tan khan kumnga dang ngai na thiamna omdonani qualification educational qualification an enila master degree second class second division 50% kan tia khanin an pass chuak turania chuan relevant subject big entinan mizo subject ani chuan master degree mizo wa khan mizo subject a khan master degree second class 50% ta kha an muturani chutiang sel chuanin business maths ate accountancy le economics ate po khan 50% kha deal tu chuan khami subject concern subject related subject b ka khan an huzel tur ani chuan B.Ed khami khan nei tel nge turani ani lo pon 2 years integrated course MSc Ed khami kha an ni turani Mizo Trong middle school standard chin tal kha deal tu chuan an thiam nge bok turani secondary school teacher naruak en le taila pakhatna chuan headmaster pahnina maths teacher pathumna science teacher English teacher Mizo teacher le general teacher te annia post work zathi anvain pahni thau ani headmaster post ni maths post ni science post ni English post ni tikhan vain post ni nia a totalin post som le pahni secondary school teacher biga khan post work omani hlobi en le taila hlobi a hianin headmaster ti lo zong kha chu Mizo teacher te science teacher general teacher English teacher kan ti ho khan thakata sing ni sanga fix pay an hlonga headmaster kha chuan thakata sing thum a hlo don ani deal tu chu kumsom pariat tang som thum panga inkar ani turani a STSC le tribal tan khan kumnga dang ngai na thiamna omdon ani education qualification a hian graduate chin tan adil thenga graduate chin kami concern subject maths kan ti te science kan ti te English Mizo kha tianga graduate chin tan khan adil thenga tin B.Ed khan nge angai pokani amai ro chu headmaster big tan khan kumnga teaching field a khan teacher a khan alo thok tu rani experience kumnga anei tur tina ani general teacher a khan concern subject related subject big khom lovin any graduate ba ka khan B.Ed anei chuanin adil thei ve don ani tin deal tu te ta na hriat tur paimo chu March ni somparuk sompasar le sompariata te hian interview an conduct dona McDonald Hills azar kota Samagra Shiksha Mizoram Project Office khamia khanin interview an conduct dona ni somparuk March ni somparuka hian secondary school teacher na deal ho tan khan interview an conduct dona March ni sompasaria hian higher secondary school art stream lecture deal ho tan khan interview an conduct anga tin March ni sompariata higher secondary school lecture commerce stream ho tan khan interview an conduct dona ni ole khan song katun tuma Mizoram Samagra Shiksha Nwaya higher secondary school lecturer le secondary school teacher post ruakte naruakte kan bi chian theile kan en ho thei chu ni sela video danga kan hmule thau don ya